All right, for the taping for birds x-rays for dorsal ventral, we have created our tape with the padding so it's not to be too rough on the neck. It's just made with vet wrap and gauze, and we would hold the neck into position and tape. As for the wings, I have not as thick for the neck, but also padding in the tape. We would tape over, depending on the size bird. Sometimes it's not as much. And tape over this one as well. For the legs, we have tape that is created bands, and we would wrap and then tape down into position. Of course, the patient would be sedated. And into position. So that would be for the dorsal ventral. And I do have my gloves here. It's just easier to show without them on at this time for taping. All right. For a full body lateral, you would undo this portion and turn, pull the wing back. We would secure the neck again. And we would have our wings and tail, if need be, secured with our padding as to not damage the feathers. And then pull our legs down, caudal as well for our lateral view. Thank you.